Coming up today. Hi guys, welcome in and or welcome back to my channel, Home with Christy T. I'm Christy T, and today I'm excited to bring you guys along for a living room refresh featuring Curtarra. And you guys already know it wouldn't be a makeover without Coco making an appearance in the video. So first things first, I have to say that Curtarra's packaging and delivery and shipping was extremely fast and extremely high quality. I absolutely love that they included this cute little thank you card that included instructions on how to care for and maintain my new custom curtains. And obviously Coco loved the box, and we just love a business that appreciates our business and values us. I love that Curtarra includes a free design service on their website, which made it super easy when it came to choosing the fabric and style of curtains that I wanted to use in this makeover. If you didn't know, we're first-time home buyers, and when we bought this home, one of the things that we struggled with was finding the perfect size length curtains for this space, because we have a sloped ceiling in our living room, and on the shorter side our living room is 10 feet tall, and on the higher side it's about 18 feet tall. So if you can imagine that being a bit of a struggle, then you know what I'm dealing with here. However, with Curtarra's special customization of their curtains, it made it a lot easier to just be able to put in the exact measurements using their measurement tool to get the exact size curtains that I needed to make the space feel fully elevated and luxurious without compromising on the height of the curtains based on availability. When you head over to Curtarra's website, linked below, you will notice that they have a special tool called the measurement tool. This helps you to get that exact customized look that you're going for with your curtains, whether you want them to kiss the floor or be half an inch or an inch above the floor to prevent them from getting dirty. This tool will help you to accomplish that based on the height of your ceilings, the length of your rod, the location of your rod. You choose what you want, and that tool will help you to get the exact customized curtains that you're looking for. I've linked all the details on the exact measurements I used for the curtains that I ordered for this project, but because these came as a double pinch pleat, they also came with these double pinch pleat curtain clips that made it super easy to attach my eyelet curtain hooks onto. Now to finish up this light refresh, I added in a new piece of artwork and moved the furniture back to where it belonged, as well as added the finishing touches to my new curtains. And now let's have a quick look back at what the space looked like before and what it looked like after. Alright guys, that is going to be all for today's video. As you can see, my curtains turned out absolutely beautiful, and I'm super thankful to Curtarra for sponsoring today's video. If you are interested in purchasing these curtains for yourself, I've linked all the information down below, as well as their measuring tool for your use. I hope that you guys will join me again for the next video, as I have a couple of DIYs I've been working on in the house, so I'm super excited to bring you guys along.